Our top story tonight on Newsbreak. In less than 60 days from now, a decision will be out on one of the most politically sensitive court cases that India has ever witnessed, the Ayodhya dispute. On Tuesday, a 5-judge constitution bench set the 18th of October as its target for completing all arguments. The Chief Justice in particular seems very keen to set a breakneck pace. He retires on the 17th of November, a Sunday, so the verdict is likely to be delivered either on or before the 15th of November. Vaidyanathan joining me for more on that big story. Vaidyanathan, should we then finally believe that this is the final lap of the Ayodhya title dispute, as it's called?
Yes, you can say so, because today is the 26th day of the hearing. The hearing began on 6th of August after the mediation failed. But interestingly, today, apart from setting the deadline as October 18th, the Supreme Court also permitted the mediation panel to go ahead if there is any sort of mediation, because the mediation panel had come to the court saying that two parties have approached the mediation panel. They wanted the mediation to resume, so it has been ordered to resume. But at the same time, hearings will go on as per schedule. There is no interruption at all. So finally, as you rightly said, 17th, the Chief Justice is retiring 17th November. It's a Sunday, so judgment will have to be given on 15th, the Friday or before that. Even on that week, if you take that week, 11th and 12th of November are also closed holidays for the Supreme Court. So that week will be very busy in the Supreme Court.
Right, Vaidyanathan, the court actually stipulating that it's willing to hear the case for longer hours during the week. It might even sit on Saturdays if that's what's needed. So clearly a very distinct timeline being set out over here.
Yes, because Chief Justice retirement is on 17th November. So before that, he should conclude and deliver a judgment with all the other 4 judges. If it doesn't do, then it will have to start from the scrap. So to avoid that, he has set a timeline. Of course, he consulted both sides, Hindu sides and Muslim sides lawyers. And finally, he said that let's make an effort to complete the hearing by 18th October. He also said that normally the Supreme Court hearing time closes at 4 p.m. in the evening. He said 1 hour can be extended, and even Saturdays also court can sit. This is not the first time. Earlier, when former Chief Justice Deepak Mishra was there, court used to sit on Saturday also in some cases. So this is not a rarity. The Chief Justice's main intention is to complete in time, because they have to write the judgment. It takes a long time. 5 judges, every judge would like to write a judgment, because it's a historical moment for the 5 judges who are on the bench.
All right. Thanks very much indeed for joining us with those details, Vaidyanathan.